I don't know if it's still doing it. Oh, it's raining hard. But we'll see. But this is a follow-up. Well, I guess, apparently it never stopped. Because we're still in a winter storm warning until 1 in the morning today. Or tomorrow. However you want to look at it. Oh no, that's spooky. Get as much snow as we did, and now it's lightning. Wonder how many people think the end of the world's coming. The part to where the lightning's coming from is clear though. I mean, it's not as dark as back here at the mountain. As you can see. The mountain's dark. And then you come around here. That's thunder. Or it's a train. I think it's a train moving. Oh, wow. That scared the bejesus out of me. Still in alleys. I don't know. I guess it's done for now. But at least we got one lightning bolt. That's winter storm Petra throwing curveballs. Sorry about all the noise. You know. How far did he go up? Alright, I'm getting water on my lens and on my camera. I don't like that because this is my good one. This is my SZ60 by Panasonic. It's a Lumix. After 9, and I think the lighting's done for now. I'm going upstairs, get ready to go to bed. There you go. Now, the day after snowstorm, Petra. Everything's pretty much melting off. It's like 48 degrees out, something around there. We're heading to the store and then Walmart to get cat food.
$2 6-piece chicken McNuggets are tender.
I think Carol just wanted to play in the snow for a minute.
100% white meat and making a big splash on the $1, $2, $3.
48 degrees. I guessed that perfect. But I gotta go down and find out how much is on our card.
Like a sweet tea, Hawaiian punch, or
and
kind flavor of a Dr. Pepper. So keep your favorites flowing right now. Only on the 1, 2, 3.
All that good stuff. So I'll be back and forth today. Try to get something together a little bit. Get you out another video. Because we got snow. And lots of it. When I say lots of it, I mean lots of it. And lightning and thunder. It's crazy. So I will show you the video I got last night of the lightning. And I think I actually got a little bit of audio of the thunder too. Audio of the volume. Yeah, that's it. So I'll show you that now. And I'll be back here in short. Well, we got cat food. I got my drugs. Well, prescriptions. Now we gotta wait for Carol's to get done. She'll probably get them and go home. I don't know. Depends on what we plan.
Well, Wally's there. I don't think he's going anywhere today.
Okay. Maybe we'll just do hot and ready pizzas for everybody when Justin gets home.
Yeah, I can't get the hot and ready pizza sauce.
Well, we'll get you something else. Somewhere else, whatever. We'll figure something out. I was thinking about getting a thin crust with sausage and pepperoni, extra cheese. And I can't do Papa John's sauce because I'm sauced out of there because of us getting all the free. But as you can see, we've got snow mountains everywhere. It's crazy.
It's everywhere. See? They used to bucket.
Yeah. They do sometimes.
She just use it all the time and then put it in the field, but nobody goes.
They can't put it in the field because CSX would complain.
It's not getting used for anything else.
I know, but
That's stupid.
that's how these companies are in this town.
Uh-huh.
Don't touch my land. I'm selling
They ain't
it.
even taking their sleds out on it either. Not like they're gonna tear it up.
And we probably would have went sled riding this year, but no sooner it snowed, it rained on top of it, and it was sucky.
Oh, this stuff is the best. That has that ISO top. Oh, it's the best slide.
Yeah, but when it first did it, we'd have been wet and cold. That's all we'd have been.
Yeah.
At least I don't want to get wet for a while. I want to sled ride and have fun, and then get wet, and then go home and get hot chocolate. But things have been going all right. We got a few people that are screwing things up, but we can fix that. It's just went on a trip. But now we're just gonna have a bunch of runoff. Water running down over Virginia Avenue, Old Town Road. It's crazy. Coming on will be a lake soon. I don't know.
I'm hoping this summer will be a little drier, so we can actually get stuff done.
Yeah. I hope so. Get some fishing things in. Just us. Bring Joe. Get her a little break. She put a thing on the other day and she's addicted to fishing. I don't know how addicted she is.
She was really upset that she couldn't go last year.
So we're going to try to really work hard on going fishing this summer. Do some walking. I don't know if it's good for me or bad for me, but it does seem to help every once in a while. Everything that they told me to do with therapy hurts. It's not a couple of days either. It's like a whole week.
They've also told you to keep moving too.
I try to keep moving, but there's times that I just can't. I don't know what's going on here.
Taxi.
But somebody had the right idea. Break out the four-wheeler. I think he's got a small.
It would have been easier to do the driveway if I had a four-wheeler.
Can't keep a four-wheeler.
I know.
Your brother would rip it apart.
I know. Not just the driveway. In front of the mailbox too. Technically, they're supposed to keep it clear so that you can get your mail.
Yeah. But I'm liking the way everybody's pulling their cars in and leaving them there so they got their parking spots. I made it just the right size for the truck though, didn't I? Except for me getting out. Give me a second. Because I will get stuck and won't be able to get out. Oh, my back.
Okay, my back.
But this is all going to get fixed this summer. That's a definite. And then I'm already working on that for the porch down here. So we'll be alright. Like I said, it's a deluge of water everywhere. Everywhere you turn your head, there's dripping. I'm going in, play some Mad Max or something. Be back later.
Somebody got to.
Alright. We're out partially for fun and dinner, and partially to do errands. So, I don't know. And ride over snow. The snow on the side of the roads when you come around corners. Carol's decided that she wants to break it up today, so we're all having fun breaking up snow.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's going to get us all dirty on the windshield.
That's alright. That's what they make windshield washer fluid for.
Alright. Get in anything stupid or funny or anything like that, I'll be back. We started a simple quest almost 2 hours ago. It was supposed to be go get stuff from the market, get our dinner, and go home. Well, it ended up turning into get stuff from the market, get subs, get our dinner, and I knew we had to go get medicine for Carol. But it always happens. A simple little quest turns into a voyage. Can you hear it falling through the snow? Like I said, we got
Reminds me, I gotta pick up Mommy's meds too.
four-wheel drive
Exercise.
and a larger area underneath the car. So we've been knocking snow down for fun. It helps it melt, but yeah, my legs are numb now and tingly. One ankle hurts, I don't know why. Beautiful day.
56.
No, yeah, 56 degrees. Beautiful. Considering we had a blizzard yesterday. Oh my goodness. Thunder, snow, and a blizzard all wrapped in one. That's crazy. Mother Nature just can't make her mind up this year. That's our reinvented Roy Rogers. Which they were due for a makeover. Place, easy 40 years. The same, made the same way. So that was cool. Alright. Like I said, we gotta go get meds. And I'll be back with you on the way home. .46 fun-loving degrees in Cumberland. Our snow's still melting. Today is the 22nd. And it's supposed to be an easy day, and it turned into one of the harder days. Because now we've got Walmart done, which I made that really hard because I grabbed the 2 wrong chargers. It had C-type connector on it, and I needed a micro USB for my phone. Then I had to take them back in, trade them in, got me a black web. It's in my pocket. And then I got that one the first time, which it seems to be working pretty good. So I'm in the USB port of the car, which I don't think is a very good charging platform, but the other 2 ports are taken up. So I'll see which one's faster at home, and then put the one that ain't as fast as the other one in the car. Because I got the quick charger wall mount at home for LG. So as long as I can keep it at 70, I'll be alright today. I'm half tempted when this phone goes not to get another one. But I have to have my leash. So I don't know. Sucks because I gotta pay $100 to $200 for the leash for everybody else to keep track of me. But we're on our way out to get a chair. I do thrift store shopping, but they ask the same prices as a brand new one, so we might as well just go get a new one. We're going out to a place called Big Lots. I don't know how many places have Big Lots, but it's basically a warehouse for stores that went out of business. It's the only way I know how to put it. So, what are you all doing? No, just kidding. I don't know. I'm gonna be cutting out a lot of dead space. I'm running out of things to talk about. Surprising. I don't know. I'll take you soon. I'm saying I don't know constantly now, because I don't. That's the bad part. I'm honestly saying it because I don't know. Not a house. I just noticed something on the hill I never noticed before.
Yeah, that's a house.
That's a house. It's right on the end of the airport. That's gonna make a funny noise. So we're gonna go down here, Big Lots. I'm gonna take you in, sneak you in, cause I don't have nothing else to make videos about unless you want to watch me cut up a speaker later, maybe. I might have to just rest my legs and my back. Ugh. Parking lot, bad as the streets. All right, we'll be back. Sir, no, Dad, whoever. I'm thinking about getting these folding chairs. Get one of them. $22. Most you can do is say, I don't want that. Pretty soft.
Grab 2 of them.
See how much brighter that is whenever I put it on the AI? I know, I said I'd be back later. I can see everything now. About what we can see with our eyeballs anyway. Alright. Heading down over the hill into Cumberland, so I'll catch you in a little bit. You don't want to see me give her a kisses bye. On top of that, I got a ton of stuff I gotta carry in the house. We got don't know if there's got to be other Denny's, because I've seen them make commercials for the birthday thing. I don't know if they still do it. They used to do free birthday meal, as long as you had ID to prove it was your birthday. But we go to Denny's, and you can get breakfast for dinner or lunch anytime you want to get it. And they got steak and chicken fried steak and all kinds of good stuff. And they got one that they called Lumberjack. It takes 2 plates to bring it to you. One plate's 2 nice sized pancakes. You get sausage, ham, bacon, taters, however you like them. I get them hash brown or home fries. Eggs, however you like them. Usually get them scrambled. I can't remember Carol, but it was pancakes with chocolate chips and nanners on top. It looked really good. She got eggs, bacon, and you can get sausage if you want. She don't do sausage, so she just got the bacon. And
I'm not supposed to do the bacon either.
yeah, she's not supposed to do the bacon, but she does. And I brought home a milkshake chocolate for later or tomorrow, depending on how I feel. I'm really full right now. Our doggy bags. And I got my son a milkshake. So that's how our Friday went. I'm hoping you all had a good Friday. And I will catch you at the pond and we will finish this video up. There. We're home and headed out back to set up pond lights. So I got my headlamp with me. That'll light up everything so you guys can see what I'm doing. But they're not going to be real bright right now because we're at Walmart. But those are trying. But we got bigger ones. Alright. I want to know why I'm missing blocks over here though. Wow. That's definitely a big difference. Wait till you see it when when the water's in there. Should be straight. All right. Ooh, I'm gonna have to take it easy. Did you hear that? I know I ain't talking much, am I? But look at the brightness of that. And then I'll see which one's working or which one's not of these. And then we'll scatter them around. If they're all working, I'll get new batteries in those. So there you go. There was my project for tonight. That'll work good. I always make sure it's on high because you get those ripple lines through it if you don't. But that's last thing I wanted to get done tonight. I will be back with you on the next video. I hope you enjoy this little vlog kind of video. It's about 3 days of me doing what I need to do to get life straightened out and done at the house. I will catch you on the next video. Please like and subscribe.